that's cute. Well, here's our Luxpro lantern from our beachcombing find. And I soaked this in CLR for a couple hours. Sprayed it down with WD. And oh yeah, I guess helps you put them in right. Let's see, pause, negative, and hey, we get flashy. Whoa. But hey, there's screws down there. Well, looks like, what do we got here? Oh, we got a resistor, capacitor. This looks like a AT tiny type of thing here. I think we will reflow that maybe. What we got going on this end? Just the LED. Pulled everything off, and resoldered it, and we found the tantalum capacitor that was once here. It's all busted. Needless to say, it didn't work. But I found this 10 microfarad. Seems to work fine. Boy, what a mess. Wow. Nifty. Positive, oops, positive, negative. Wow. Wonder bar.